One of Activinspire users' favorite tricks is what we call rub and reveal. Rub and reveal quickly allows you to add an extra level of engagement to your lesson. Here you see I have some fill in the blanks. I've taken what was once a basic worksheet and made it more interactive. Now maybe I've had a student come up to the panel and fill in their own answer using the pen tool. Now I can just have them select the eraser tool and ta-da! Reveal the correct answer underneath. Rub and reveal is easy to create. The eraser tool cannot erase an image, so all I'm really doing is using my pen tool to conceal an image or text, and then I'm using the eraser to remove that annotation. Let's say that we're practicing Spanish vocabulary. I pulled these images from the Activinspire resource pack, and now I just select my pen tool. Now I need to make sure that the color of my pen is the same as the background here. And I'm going to change the width to make sure that it's nice and big so I can do this in one quick swipe. And I annotate with that thick white pen over each image. And now when my students are practicing their vocabulary, they can select the eraser tool and see if their thinking was correct.